first stock to watch out for surely will be Reliance Communications, and the Economic Times has reported that Reliance Industries will possibly buy a stake in Reliance Infratel, which is a subsidiary which is involved in tower-related infrastructure of Reliance Communication. This will be a two-phase deal which will be struck between Reliance Communications and Reliance Industries, wherein Reliance Industries will be looking to lease close to 50,000 towers of Reliance Infratel. This will be a long-term lease agreement wherein the total lease agreement will be valued at close to 8,500 crores to 10,000 crores for a period of 8 to 10 years. Some positive news coming in for Reliance Communications, because the management had indicated in the conference call that they are in talks with 3 telecom players in order to lease their telecom towers. So there is a possibility and a high probability that the deal will be struck with Reliance Industries. However, both of the parties have not commented on the story. We also have Sesa Goa, which came out with a muted set of earnings. Their net sales came in at 236 crores, almost 90% lower than on a year-on-year basis because of the mining ban that we have seen in most of the states where the company is operating. The net profit, including the share of Kane India, has come in at close to 500 crores, and the company has posted an EBITDA loss of 166 crores. So muted set of numbers coming in for Sesa Goa. Coming then to Ashok Leyland, and a big disappointment has come on the EBITDA front. Their margins have come in at 4.3% versus an estimate of 7.8%. The company during the quarter has posted a profit because of an exceptional gain of 156 crores. But on the operating front, clearly, given the fact that the margins have been almost half than what the analysts were anticipating, the stock is likely to correct sharply in today's trading session. And finally, we have Coromandel International, and do remember ET Now first reported the story about Coromandel acquiring Liberty Phosphate on December 13th, and finally the company has struck a deal at 241 rupees per share, and Coromandel International will acquire a 56.28% stake in Liberty Phosphate for a consideration of 196 crores. Also, there will be an open offer of 26% equity, which will be done at 241 rupees per share. Possibly, there will be some gains coming in for Liberty Phosphate post the deal announcement with Coromandel International.
Let's get you some stocks that have been buzzing on the back of volumes. Poonam Sane from our research desk now joins us to get us those stocks. Good morning, Poonam.
Well, very good morning to you. Few of the stocks that showed really high volumes as of yesterday are HDIL, IVRCL, L&T as well as Tata Motors. HDIL, the volumes have been nearly 7.2 times on a 2-week average basis. Very high volume since quite a few days. Stock is down nearly 22% again yesterday. It's down close to 40% in the entire week and is trading below all DMA. Management said on the conference call that the company is not going bankrupt, and 98% of the promoter holding is pledged. Company debt is around 4,000 crore, but the promoters will look at buyback of shares after 6 months. Next is IVRCL, wherein the volumes are nearly 5.8 times on a 2-week average basis. Again, this stock hit a 52-week low. Stock is down close to 20%, highest volume since October this year, and negative news flow really hit the stock hard. Next is L&T, wherein the volumes are close to 5 times on a 2-week average basis. In terms of the volumes, the highest volumes are seen since May of this year. Stock is gained primarily on order inflow. The company guides for 20,000 crore to 25,000 crore of order inflow during the fourth quarter. And in terms of the profits were up close to 13% and sales were up close to 10% on a YOY basis. Lastly, it's Tata Motors, wherein the volumes were close to 4.4 times on a 2-week average basis. Majority of the analysts do say that buy on weakness in the stock, and highest volumes were seen since end of November in this counter. Do keep a watch out for all these stocks in today's trade as well.